shop, venu nous payer.
What's up, dudes? Check it out. We're at Nick's drift shop today. He's got his Miata up on the lift, doing a little bit of diff work on it. Just came to hang out, checking out the scenes, that car show last week, the last videos you watched, kind of, I still got the sunburn from it. I spent all week just working on videos, and it's Friday again, the weekend's coming. There's always crazy stuff going on the weekend, so let's check it out.
That's it. No, even there. You're gonna use it. So axles, and then if you want to take the axles off, you take the wheels off. Why is it sounding so much like shit? Changing the diff and then seeing what we can fix while it's on the lift. The block is lift as shit, but there's one everywhere. Third transmission, like. Hey, why didn't we bolt the speed sensor? I don't remember why.
Maybe because it was like 3
Yeah. Can we just try to maybe put it in? Maybe I can have a speeder. I'll go get driving. Giving me shit when I broke a boot. Sold me an half-painted car and then he keeps giving me shit about the boot. Oh, good.
That could have been your head.
That's okay, it's got that supporter.
That's what it's for.
Yeah, it's OEM safety.
It was just in the way all the time.
You thought about the message like this.
Oh, it's fully equipped, eh?
Yeah.
See, my garage, at my garage, I just dropped that thing on my face.
That's what I told you.
Bam!
Yeah, well, I think we did that enough, and it's still before 5, so there's still CSST in that thing. After 5, we can do whatever the fuck we want. Oh, okay, it's not the right one.
17 is like...
Oh, it's like 18.
Was 18.
Yeah.
Now it's 16 and a hammer.
Yeah. Yeah. I think the two of us can break it enough. Oh, it's on the exhaust, it's not on our face.
You got this.
Yeah, the exhaust is really in order. You want to take it off that hanger, man? Take the bar or something.
Busted knuckles.
You want to take it off? That's organized. Alright, look at it. There you go. Hey, fuck, it weighs nothing.
That was quick.
Okay, now I gotta find out, are we keeping the cover or not? Oh yeah, does it come with the diff or does it not? Yeah, so we're gonna know now. I'm calling it right now.
Oh, yes, sir.
10 minutes bringing
That's a Precision Turbo 58. Oil MVR, so 44.
44. We got
Mazworks manifold.
yeah, fuel, yeah, Mazworks manifold, fuel pressure regulator, fuel rail, 850cc, wash injectors, top feed. We got the catch can vibrant with the vacuum routing and stuff. We got the oil filter relocator with the oil cooler in the front. And that's about it. Everything was homemade. like hoses, the piping, the downpipe. Everything's all made by him. He's a welder. Oh yeah. He brought us a car with a broken manifold and a blown turbo, and that's what happens.
So that's the build they were doing the first time we showed up here, remember? We were looking underneath the hood of that. Now it's complete. If you missed it, click the little thingy up here. Go check out the video. It's up here, maybe, I don't know. One of those sites, but look, click the link.
Like legit 15 minutes to take that shit out.
So the longest part of this install, he's changing the diff in the car. The thing what's going on is, the diff he had in this Miata was welded and it keeps popping out axles on him. So he got an LSD from a buddy who's getting rid of his Miata or something. So that's what's going in here. The longest part of most installs, of almost any installs, if you don't have the parts. So what's going on right now? We're standing outside. We're waiting for parts. We didn't waste too much time because while we're waiting out here, the boys, we took down the U-Haul sign that was up there. I'm gonna bring it home and make it all look cool and more drift style than a U-Haul sign. That doesn't belong here because it's not a U-Haul place anymore. So let's wait for some parts.
J'ai pas pensé à après. Tu sais, s'ils vendent genre 400$, moi l'acheter. Ah, ok. Ouais. Tu sais, je vais pas lui dire, prends ton char que tu peux pas partir.
Wait, I didn't see you put it in. Start over.
Just like that. Non, mais moi je sais que ça veut dire non. Je pense que c'est le swap de 4 ans le plus rapide que j'ai fait Montréal. So where do you want this? I think I'm gonna need the heat. Or loosen up or something. Mine will be pinched inside the axle. Old guys do this. Because they hate everybody.
Here. Don't worry, it'll never come loose again. The smoking gun.
Yeah. Get rid of it now. Be careful not to burn yourself.
You're silly.
Before you wreck yourself.
I'm gonna go dip this in water or something. So this shit is very hot.
Bye-bye shoes.
Yeah. Je te conseille de faire dessus.
Make sure the dog doesn't chase it.
Yeah. Yeah. I will burn God.
See, Nick.
Yeah.
See here.
Shit, bro, just popping the fucking back shit.
So, Nick had to leave, so Nick's on his own.
Yeah. But when we swapped this actual car, we took the engine out in like an hour, 15 minutes, and then we went to Quebec to get one, and then it took us like 2 hours to put it back. It would have taken us like 3 hours, 30 minutes to do it
Total.
in the yeah. You have to drive to Quebec. Yeah. All right, so now I need the nuts.
The nuts.
Yeah. Why all purple? That's why. That's why that diff wasn't working. Look, it's purple. Never put that, kids.
Oh yeah?
No, always go red line.
Don't recognize it. Don't recommend it. Doesn't look very purple.
No. It's fucking full of shit. That's what it is.
Okay. Red line over royal purple. Not just because it's
Work.
It worked.
I think it works.
It works. Whoa. So a little something rubbing on the drive shaft. Otherwise, it went pretty good. So
It's pretty awesome.
yeah,
Okay.
that's probably it for tonight. Peace out.